Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Welcome back. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott,
Together we're Backyard Musings.
and still enjoying the beautiful afternoon weather here in the high desert. It is
People's Republic of Kaliatlan.
yep, here we are. We're still here. Crazy, but we're still here.
Yep. A distant gas giant the size of 10 Jupiter planets is now the first planet outside Earth's solar system to be mapped in 3 dimension. That's pretty crazy, outside of our solar system. A team of astronomers said, using data from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, a group of international researchers were able to piece together a 3D map of an exoplanet known as WASP-18b. So would be the second planet around the sun. So it's probably not habitable, but maybe one of its moons is.
But it's big.
10 times Jupiter. The breakthrough creation marks a major first in planetary science, as a 3-dimensional model of a planet orbiting another star beyond our sun had never before existed, the team claimed in a press release. The team's research was published Tuesday, October 28th in the journal Nature Astronomy. Would you like to know more?
Exoplanets are planets outside Earth's solar system. For that reason, these celestial bodies are sometimes also referred to as extrasolar planets. Some called rogue planets don't even orbit a star, but rather are floating through the cosmos untethered. In September, NASA recorded a milestone: 6,000 plus worlds spotted beyond our solar system, 30 years after the first exoplanet was discovered.
And I'll bet you there's a million times that number out there that we don't know about. I'd be willing to bet his creations
Never ending.
Are countless, never ending.
Yep.
Okay, as of October 30th, a total of 6,028 exoplanets have been confirmed, according to NASA's Exoplanet Space Institute.
And who's going to dispute them?
Institute.
I'm just going to dispute them.
Maybe the Chinese NASA or the European Space Agency.
You think?
Maybe.
You think they don't do a little collaboration? Maybe not.
Well, they're the only ones that could dispute that, but I mean, these guys are scientists, and I don't think they exaggerate.
Yeah.
Which monitors and tracks exoplanets, this institute. What's more, not only are nearly 8,000 additional exoplanet candidates awaiting official confirmation, like with Pluto, but billions are thought to exist, astronomers say. There we go.
Now astronomers have managed to bring an exoplanet into unprecedented focus by using a technique the researchers called 3D eclipse mapping. The effort, also referred to as spectroscopic eclipse mapping, builds on a 2D model that members of the same team published in 2023 using observations from the James Webb Space Telescope.
Typically, exoplanets are difficult for scientists to observe from Earth because their host stars are so bright that they outshine that planet. The new process, the team explained in a press release announcing the research, allows astronomers to image exoplanets directly.
The researchers built the map by analyzing in many wavelengths data from the Webb telescope's near-infrared imager, the type of view that someone would see when using night vision goggles. Each color in the model corresponds to different temperatures and altitudes within the WASP or WASP-18b's gaseous atmosphere.
10 times the size of Jupiter.
Yeah.
Discovered in 2009, WASP-18b is a gas giant exoplanet that would be comparable to Jupiter in our solar system, except it's 10 times more massive. Observations from the James Webb Space Telescope, which launched into the cosmos in 2021, have revealed surface temperatures on the world that reach 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Gosh, it's almost like a sun, according to NASA. Water vapor is also present in the planet's atmosphere, which the 3-dimensional map revealed is constantly broken down by the scorching heat.
Its heat, as well as the fact that it orbits its host star in just 24 or 23 hours, made it an ideal candidate to attempt the 3D mapping technique, the researchers said. Like Earth's moon, WASP-18b had a day side that constantly faces the celestial body it orbits.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the new 3D map confirmed that the planet has distinct regions differing in both temperature and chemical composition on WASP-18b's star-facing side.
So it's like a tidal lock. It doesn't rotate. It just goes around the same way around its sun.
Like it's a yo-yo, just on a string. Right?
Yeah. For instance, the planet is home to a circular hotspot where the most powerful starlight hits it, and where wind doesn't blow strong enough to redistribute the heat, a colder ring surrounds the hot spot near the planet's outer edge.
The breakthrough 3D modeling technique is one of researchers' hope will soon be used to unveil details of hundreds of other hot gaseous worlds beyond Earth's solar system, just as Earth-based telescopes have long already observed Jupiter's distinct features. Quote, with this telescope and this new technique, we can start to understand exoplanets along the same lines as our solar system neighbors. So says the study's lead author, Ryan Chandler, an astronomer at Cornell University. He said in the statement. Going on with the quote, we can start to understand exoplanets in 3D as a population, which is very exciting.
Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Maybe that's the first step. Now we send a probe and see what's going on.
Yeah.
Maybe.
We'll see.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for joining us, folks. We appreciate it.
Take care. We'll see you tomorrow.